Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel, and it is another day in Tokyo. Today I'm heading about an hour out of Tokyo for a day trip to Kawagoe. Kawagoe is a Edo-period town a bit northwest from Tokyo, and it's known for all of its beautiful architecture and old style homes. Today is actually the Kawagoe Matsuri, which is their festival. I've never been to a traditional Matsuri before, so I'm really looking forward to seeing the festivities. But this morning I'm meeting up with my friend Yuma, and we are going to go to the Matsuri together. Alright, let's get going. We made it to Kawagoe. We are currently following the people so we can go and see the parade. I'm not sure which direction to go in, but there is a big crowd, so we are just following the people. I want to get a donut. Yeah? Yeah. Oh, be careful. So much street food along here. What do you want to eat? Ichigo one. Ichigo ramen number. I've lost count of how many I've had this trip. I love them so much. I love these things.
It looks good too.
What is it? Bacon?
Onigiri.
Onigiri?
Yeah.
Really?
And some meat around onigiri.
Mmm.
You wanna try first? I wanna try this one. They're so cute.
I know. So cute. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Is it good?
But it tastes like soy sauce.
It's better than mitarashi dango.
Better than mitarashi dango. Not that sweet.
I like it a lot.
Yeah?
You want some?
Yeah, I wanna try.
You look like you're playing the flute. Huh? You look like you're playing the flute. Yeah.
Everything on the What do you want?
Pokemon cards. Wow, you did it? Oh, which one did you hit?
That one.
Should I try and...
The lemon. Almost?
Trying to get you.
I'm so good.
You're so good. Last one.
My head again.
This is so fun. Yuma was so close. She almost got that thing. Almost. You hit it like 3 times.
Funny, we're eating yakitori here. Like wraps. Your favorite?
Tomorakoshi. Or grilled corn, one of my favorite street food. I don't want to share it with you. I love it. This is so cool.
There are 2.
Yeah. We made it to Koedo. It's amazing. It's like we stepped back in time. a massage and I can't wait. We made it! 1 minute to spare! We got tickets! Come back to this sukemen shop that I came to with Yuma ages ago, and I'm so excited to be coming back because the food is so good.
ご希望のメニューを押してください。はい。券をお取りください。
Gonna go get a massage, have a head spa, so excited! Where else but in Tokyo could you go and get a massage at 9:30 p.m? And it's not weird. Olive spa.